Okay, as I was saying, guys, I got this order block from 15 minutes. After then, what I did, this is my breakout structure here. Before to like order block, make sure which like you have breakout structure. You understand? That has to be filled. You understand? You want to break in a structure, because easy is then you collector in. All the liquidity, now buy early, buy on this area here. Those who early buyers, they catching early buyers. Now my trend line liquidity. I will show you guys. Let's just continue with this. Okay, this is a breakout structure. This is what here. This is our trend line liquidity. No, I'm lying. This is just equals highs. Those are equal highs. This area here. Those are equal highs.
Equalize. Oh, yeah. That's
those are equal highs. Then we have what? We have let's say this is going to be my first target on this area. Then this, it's gonna be my POI. To not to be green, we know Nasdaq it's gonna drop till this area. Let me just highlight. Let's do it like this. As it started as if like it's from a direction buy. We know we're holding a sell now, right? So we're looking for what? A target. Let's just look for a direction of a buy so we can identify what, okay, Tina's team is in so this is our order block for a buy here. Kula sibheke khona okay, mayifika kule area le siyazi ukuthi sithenga kule area le. Let me just do it like this and add white color. Siyazi ukuthi okay, thina sifuna ukuthenga la. Mayifika la kula sibheke khona, because we have what? We have a break of structure. So if you can check, the price will continue going up with the correction. You understand? The price will continue going up slowly, no matter how long it's gonna take with the regular price layer. Then here's this thing, it's important. On this area here, do you see on this area here? This is gonna be a liquidity. I'm a trader money as they're gonna buy on this area here. They're gonna buy on this area here. I wanna show you. Most of traders, they're gonna buy on that area. They think price will go up. Then we have those traders. Let me just do it like this. On this area, as I was saying, uzobanala trader lawa azothenga on this area. Then bayenzeni babeka ama stop loss esiwabo la. Ma stop loss ala, then lethenga la, babeka ama stop loss la. Then kuba nabaphi futhi at the same time. Kuzobanala ama trader lawa abazobeka bazobeka ama sell limit on this area here at the same time. Why? It's because of like they think this is gonna be a breakout and a test. Whereas Bunalaba trader is support and resistance. What they think it's wrong. Understand? What they think is they think like this is gonna happen. Sorry. They think like this is gonna happen this way. Since the market broke the structure, it will continue go up a little bit and continue go down. You understand? This is what they're gonna think. This is what they see on the market currently. So let me just put it this way. If like you don't understand what I'm trying to say, we understand it. You know what's order block, Order block, it's where I need your combo back then in time, back then when everyone was trading. When like not everyone, like some people, we had like few traders. If Forex be easy, you just draw my trend line I2. You just draw his trend line there, we do the name trend line there, you know what my figure line, my figure line 10, my figure line yes, my figure. This is how it was simple. Understand? This is how it was simple. So because of time, and they see like no, this is gonna do this, like this is gonna be like this. So they try to manipulate everything with people like they must lose money or do something on the on what actually like their strategy is like the strategy like the SMC strategy is the bank strategy. You understand? Because we're trading with banks, we're not trading against banks. You understand? We're trading with banks, we trade like how they trade. Nabashama stop losses swallow. Naikala ikupuga is whereby we enter only sniper entry. You understand? Most of traders but like they like having like early entries and whatever. So we're catching all those movements. We're catching all those movements. You understand? All those movements. We're gonna catch all those movements. So on this area, njengoba bengihighlighting ukuthi on this level here, khona ama-traders azothenga or establish connection. Can you guys hear me?
Sure.
Okay. As I was saying, on this area, kule level le, to this current price. Ne? Let me just record it. Okay. Moment.
We're not yes, como guy.
Cool. I just want to monitor the team quick as I open with different accounts. I use big lot size. Okay, perfect. So you all in profit, most guys, right?
Away my G.
But then,
Sure. We all in profit. Actually, I'm in profit. I don't know about others.
okay, I lost stress. As I was saying, gents, let me put my AirPods. As I was saying, I was talking about liquidity and how we're gonna kill this trade. Now, last week it's definitely gonna do. I think I said it. Even if yesterday I was on a live video, I had this analysis. You saw it, but then once you believe in yourself and once you believe in what you do, you don't need like to compete with others. We all can use like different strategy, but with me, I know